You for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's check out their books, see what's new over here. So I think I saw this before. It's called the Book of Beasts, guys. And okay, and this one says the Little Book of Wonders, celebrating the gifts of the natural world. That sounds interesting. And then this one says Box into Shape. Okay, and then these are really cute, guys, because this is Hansel and Gretel. They're all Jack and the Beanstalk, Red Riding Hood, the Three Little Pigs, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. These are nice, very nice. And then back here, we have the Perfect Little World. They're too far deep for me to pull them out, guys, but they have Dead Letters, My Side of the Street, The Biggest Loser Boot Camp. Let me see if I can get that out. Okay, that's what that looks like. For $1, guys. Makes a nice gift. Okay, and then they have Oliver. That's the cat back there. 5-minute bedtime stories, and these are recipe books over here, guys. What do these say? So this is Catch of the Day. Then the green ones are From the Garden, and the orange ones are Breakfast Favorites. And I think they have a red one over here that says One Skillet Meals. So that's pretty nice, guys. That's what's on that side. And then over there says My Life to Live. So let's see, these are a little bit closer here. Okay, so My Life to Live is this one. I think we've seen this one before. Agnes Nixon and Flowers of Flowers, Lawless and the Flowers of Sin. Okay, I think that might be new. Ashling. And then Giving Thanks, Chicken Soup. I like that one. Then this over here says Aboard. It's a novel. This one says Purity. I don't know if we saw that one. Alice here's How Hard Can It Be? How to Be Famous. That sounds good. We saw this one. Confessions of a Secular Jesus Follower. Then the religion. Let me see. The regional office is under attack. And this one, The Rift Uprising. Saved by an Angel. Okay, this one says Good Deeds by Chicken Soup. And this one says Have a Little Faith. I like that. Blast Out the Sugar, The High Places. I think that one's new. Then over here says A Whole Life. That one's new, I think. I don't think I remember showing you guys that. And I can't really see. Let's see. You'll outgrow it, and then A Wife's Tale. Well, this is a coloring book. So this one says A Testament. Let me see if I can get to it. Okay, The Cosmetic Surgery Companion. In Prior's Wood. Testament of Loki. Hacks of Minecrafts. I think we saw those. Hansel and Gretel. I don't want to knock these guys down. So The Ultimate Guide to Style. 12 Dogs, and then let me see The Riff. Okay, so those are duplicates. What is that one? The Divided Spy and The Long Road Home. And then this one over here says My Side of the Street. Placebo Junkies. Speak Up. We saw this one the last time I was here. Then this one says Half Wild by Sally Green. And then this one says Remnants of Trust. The Fire Line. Hello Gorgeous. I like that. That's nice. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything new in this section over here. And we know that the little kids' books are down here, guys. This is 5-minute bedtime Bible stories. And then they have the alphabet right there and the penguins. Savannah Adventures, Then Buckley Big, Frozen, Simon's Big, Maze. Then we have some animal books, 5-minute bedtime stories over there. The story of Joseph, the baby shark. That's nice. Then you have crayons and glue dots along the side here. They even put glitter over here by the books. So they have the jumbo coloring books over here, guys. Even the giant one over there. The My Little Pony. The Disney Princess. And those back there, jungle animals. Then you have the Mickey Mouse and the Troll, the alphabet, learning. So they have the learning books mixed in with the coloring books. Then you have the mermaid, the princess, the coloring, the giant coloring book, and the strawberry shortcake. And they have some of these labels, guys. I like these labels. They have some planner stickers. And this and the green. That's really nice. And look, they still have the stickers from cancer awareness. Oh, and look at these. These are some bookmarks. That's nice. And some white candles and some crossword puzzles over here. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to take a look at their books and their coloring activity books. And I will see you guys in another video.